Hello, let's take a look around this elegant three-level, fully renovated townhome in Baltimore, Maryland. As we step inside, we see modern and stylish finishes throughout this open concept floor plan. The dining room area features a sleek built-in gas fireplace. Further down, the gourmet kitchen boasts top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances accented by quartz countertops. Priced to sell at 185, this home is perfect for first-time home buyers or investors. It is conveniently located near shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Landmarks include Patterson Park, the Inner Harbor, Baltimore Convention Center, and Fells Point. As we make our way upstairs, we'll see